Hello, my dear students. You all are welcome to our entrepreneurship development class. Today we are going to discuss about different types of entrepreneur based on Clarence Denoff classification. You know, an entrepreneur is any person who undertakes the risk of establishing and running a new enterprise. Clarence Denoff, on the basis of his study of the American agriculture, he classified total entrepreneurs into four categories. As first one, it is innovative entrepreneur, adaptive entrepreneur, then Fabian entrepreneur, and drawn entrepreneur. First and most important one, it is innovative or innovating entrepreneurs. Those who introduce new goods, inaugurate new method of production, or discover new market, or reorganize the enterprise. We called them as innovating entrepreneur. They always look for new or change or for improvement. This type of entrepreneurs are ready to bear maximum risk. It is the riskiest type of entrepreneurs. They always look for changes or to produce a new goods. They are actually innovators. They find a new one. Entrepreneurs like Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, then Jeff Bezos of Amazon, Larry Page, co-founder of Google, Mark Zuckerberg. We can say like too many examples for innovating entrepreneurs. Another type of entrepreneur, it is second one, as per the classification made by Clarence Denoff, it is imitative entrepreneurs. Imitative, or those who adaptive, those who ready to adapt to those technology or those methods which is invented in somewhere else. It's a type of entrepreneurs, they are ready to adopt successful innovations inaugurated or found by innovating entrepreneurs in different regions. We called him as imitative entrepreneurs. They do not innovate the change themselves. They only imitate or they only copy the techniques and techniques innovated by others. Normally, these type of entrepreneurs are particularly suitable for underdeveloped countries because here people prefer imitate technology or knowledge already available in the developed regions. One of the best example for imitative entrepreneur is Walton of Bangladesh. They introduced its motorbikes, refrigerators, televisions, and other electronic appliances in Bangladesh, not being the original inventor of those products. Next one, it is Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian. As per Clarence Denoff classification, the third entrepreneur, it is Fabian entrepreneur. It's a type of entrepreneur who remains unaware of the change, or they don't know what the change is happening in their business. They are not interested in changes or innovations actually. But when their market leadership goes down, they seem to understand the change. That means it's a type of entrepreneur, when everything is going well, they do not like to change the things. But when things are not that well, they do make new changes. They will be ready to make the changes or make innovation only the situation compels them. Best example for Fabian entrepreneur is a Kodak camera. Kodak. You may heard about that one, Kodak. It's a company that happened to be the market leader in producing analog cameras, the old one. But they did not realize the change and the introduction of Digicam. But when the situation changed, when they lost their leadership, now they diversified their business in producing Digicam also. Now the Kodak company also, a company they are producing Digicam instead of producing the old analog cameras. Next, fourth and last classification made by Clarence Danoff. It is drawn entrepreneurs. Drawn entrepreneur. It's a type of entrepreneur. They are least innovative. They won't accept the changes. They will try to run their business in the traditional way, and they will even accept laws but not willing to adopt the changes. They prefer age old norms or stick to the long tested rules and methods and remain highly conventional in their approach. They do not bother about changing their business policies. They won't ready to make any innovation or changes in their company. The best one of the example it is Citycell Telecom of Bangladesh. In spite of having knowledge about their market fall, they have not yet changed their business policy. In 2016, the company was shut down. These are the different types of entrepreneurs classified by Clarence Danoff. One it is innovative entrepreneur or innovating entrepreneur, those who introduce new things, new goods, new services, and new method of production, or they find new market like that. Then another one it is imitative or adaptive. They copy or they imitate the successful innovations inaugurated by successful entrepreneurs in their region. Then third one it is Fabian entrepreneur. Those who are not ready to make changes, but they will be ready when the situation demands or when the situation compels them to do the change in their company. Then last one it is drawn entrepreneurs. Those who are not ready to accept any changes. They are not ready to even make any changes in their company. They stick on their existing and traditional method of production. Even though there will be a laws, they won't accept any change. They may be ready to accept the laws, but not willing to adopt any changes in their company or in their product. So hope you all understood the classification made by Clarence Danoff. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you all.